Thank you, Mr Principal Deputy Speaker, and I welcome the opportunity to join others today in focusing on tackling social disadvantage. The programme for government sets out a number of ways in which the Department for Social Development will seek to reduce and prevent social disadvantage during this mandate. This, of course, includes tackling fuel poverty, ensuring there are adequate social and affordable homes, ensuring that those who are entitled to benefits receive them, maintaining a superb voluntary and community advice sector, and improving the thermal efficiency of all housing executive stock. We should recognise that when delivering on these commitments, the Department is faced with financial restraints due to a reduction in the block grant, and we also face a number of challenges due to welfare reform, and therefore need to have solid policies to deal with its impact and support those most effective. Our executive therefore must develop new and innovative measures in response to social deprivation. Others have already discussed benefit dependency, education and child poverty, and I will focus on fuel poverty and housing in the time that I have today. From the outset, I would point out that deprivation cannot be addressed while maintaining divisions in our society, as these drain resources and deter investment and growth. There's a very clear correlation between those areas that have suffered most from division and segregation and those that are lowest in terms of a range of health, education and economic indicators. The programme for government commitment in respect of reducing fuel poverty remains a real challenge. By not taking forward the Green New Deal plans, I believe we missed a great opportunity for government to work in partnership with a coalition of all parts of civic society on a comprehensive programme to tackle energy inefficiency, address fuel poverty and rising energy costs, while at the same time creating sustainability, job creation and a low-carbon economy. The Minister will no doubt remind me that the 12 million set aside for Green New Deal is now being used for the boiler replacement scheme, and while obviously I welcome any steps that are being taken, I would ask whether he recognises that this scheme will probably deliver far less than what the Green New Deal would have done for the same investment. Energy inefficiency in homes is a key cause of fuel poverty, and there is a challenge as to whether it's best to carry out small measures on a large number of homes, thereby spreading resources thinly, or to take a section of homes at a time and really make them energy efficient. Continuing this theme, the DSD target to ensure all housing executive properties are fitted with double glazing, while commendable, may on its own have limited benefits. The Minister should also be working to ensure that homes are well insulated, both in lofts and cavity walls, and that they have efficient heating systems. I wonder, has the Minister considered whether energy-proofing homes on an area-based approach might actually be more effective in dealing with fuel poverty in the future? Making areas more attractive due to their quality of provision might also lead to movement in the housing stock in a much more positive way than the bedroom tax. The recent announcement about the future of the Housing Executive also provides an opportunity to develop a regional shared housing strategy which eliminates fear and intimidation in housing choice and delivers social and affordable housing in areas free from permanent political allegiance to any party, group or identity. Some of our most polarised estates have more than 80% of residents from the same religious background, and the fact that an area is perceived as belonging to one side or another of the community results in all sorts of negative economic and social consequences: loss of investment, paramilitary economy, and people less willing to use basic services. Even worse, this then interacts with other aspects of poverty to create multiple pockets of deprivation. We should therefore be seeking to promote shared housing within all sectors, as it can promote good relations and creates a diverse, inclusive and an aspirational environment in which to live. And while I welcome the work that has been undertaken by the Housing Executive around shared housing, such as the Shared Neighbourhood Programme and the signing of Shared Future Charters, a lot more needs to be done. The opportunity that we have here in Stormont is a chance to address the underlying divisions and hostilities which have undermined economic and social development. These divisions will continue to prevent dynamic development, deter investment, and combine with poverty to produce a toxic mix of division, exclusion and disadvantage. And therefore all ministers have their part to play in addressing them and ensuring Northern Ireland becomes a better place for everyone. I look forward to hearing from the Social Development Minister today on where he has made progress and which areas he intends to focus on going forward in order to best address the needs of our most vulnerable. Thank you.